In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to transfer your WordPress website with Siteground Migrator in minutes. If you're switching hosting providers or just need to move your website to a different Siteground account, this handy tool makes it easy and hassle-free. Let's start by preparing our Siteground account. First, log into your Siteground account and navigate to the Websites tab. Here, you'll see your list of available websites. Find the website that you want to transfer and make sure you select the correct one to avoid any confusion later on. Once you've located your site, click on the Site Tools button next to it. This is where you'll find various management tools available for your website. Now that you're in the Site Tools dashboard, look for the WordPress section in the sidebar on the left and click on it. Within this section, you'll see an option labeled Migrator. Clicking on Migrator will bring you to the Migration Tool Setup page. Here's where you'll start the process of creating a migration token, which is essential for the transfer. Just click the Get Migration Token button and don't worry about remembering this, as you'll have easy options to copy this token once it's generated. Let's switch gears and go to your WordPress dashboard. Log into your WordPress site that you want to transfer. Once you're in, head over to the Plugins section and click Add New. You will now search for the Siteground Migrator plugin. Just type Siteground Migrator into the search bar. When you find it, click Install Now, and after it's installed, be sure to activate the plugin. With the plugin active and ready, you'll have a brand new item on your dashboard labeled Siteground Migrator under the Tools menu. Click there to open it up. In the Siteground Migrator section, you'll see a field to paste your migration token. This is the token we generated back in our Siteground account. Go back, copy the token, and return to WordPress to paste it into the field provided. After pasting the token, simply click on Check Token and proceed. This step is crucial, as it ensures everything is authenticated correctly. Following this, you'll start the migration process by clicking on the Initiate Transfer button. At this point, patience is key because the transfer might take a little while depending on the size of your website. You can track the progress right from your WordPress dashboard, which is convenient. Once the migration process is finished, you should receive confirmation on both your Siteground account and in WordPress. This indicates that your website has been successfully transferred. It's a good practice to visit your site, just to make sure everything looks correct and is functioning as expected. If you do encounter any issues, don't hesitate to contact Siteground's support team. They're quite adept at sorting out migration-related challenges. With that, you've just completed a full transfer of your WordPress website using Siteground's Migrator tool. This method saves you time and effort, ensuring your transition between servers is smooth and stress-free. Thank you for watching, and happy website managing.